Okay, so very good morning, everyone. So we are learning about one of the most important topic, which is very practical use is there in our daily life. So we have discussed in our previous video about how can we write the kilogram and gram, or we have also we have also learned how to find the sum of the measurement. So one of the most measurement that which we are learning is the weight, measurement of weight. So how can we add kilogram or gram, or how can we find the difference, we have seen in our previous class. And we have also seen how to convert from kilogram into gram. So first thing about the conversion we have learned in our previous class. Now specially we will look into how can we convert kilogram, first we have learned kilogram to gram or kilogram gram together to gram. Now we will see how we can convert gram to kilogram. Okay, so the topic is conversion of grams into kilograms. Grams into kilograms. So how can we convert grams into kilograms, that we will see in today's class. Okay, so if we do the small recapitulation about the converting kilograms into grams, then we have learned that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, right? So if we want to convert a whole kilogram into gram, then very easily we will just multiply that with 1000. सो अगर जैसे हम बोलेंगे कि हाउ मच विल बी 11 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू, सो 11 किलोग्राम विल बी इक्वल टू 11 मल्टीप्लाई 1000 gram, right? So 11 multiply 1000 if you do, then it will be 11,000 gram. So this is how very simply, as much as kilogram it will ask, that much we will multiply by 1000 to convert into gram, kilogram into gram. And we have also learned कि if the digit is in kilogram and gram together, then we will add the gram after converting the kilogram. So suppose it is like 14 kilogram and 720 gram. So how can we do this now? Very simply, we will convert 14 kilogram means 14 into 1000, 14,000, and 720 gram we will add, right? So this, if we convert this, it will be 14000, this much of gram, and this will be as it is 720 gram, because this is already in gram, we no need to convert. And now if you add this, it will be 14720 gram. So this will be the required conversion of kilogram and gram into ग्राम. तो यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ा था. इवन हमने ये भी पढ़ा था कि इफ ग्राम वी हैव 2 digit, then how can do, or 1 digit how we can do. Suppose now we have is 104 kilogram and 5 gram. It may be like this also. So 104 kilogram, first you have to convert into gram, then 104 multiply 1000, so 1000 means 30, so it will be 104,000, this much of gram. Whenever you are converting kilogram into gram, just change the sign also, and plus 5 gram. So if you add 5 in this, it will be 104,005 gram, this much of gram. So this is how very easily you can convert kilogram and gram together into gram. This is all about the quick revision of the conversion of kilogram into gram. Now the next topic which we are going to learn is vice versa. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, so we'll just convert into the kilogram. Okay. For example, one question is here, 4 kilogram and 280 gram. This you have to convert into grams. Okay, इसको ग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, that also we'll see. This type of questions also may be there. So very simply 4 kilogram, so 4 kilogram means 4, this is the questions of conversions kilogram into gram only, because kilogram है यहाँ पे. So 4 kilogram is 4000 gram and 280 gram is 280 gram, so it will be 4280 gram. So very simply this is the like the previous one. ये word problem में ऐसे रह सकता है कि convert this into grams. तो इस तरह से भी अगर क्वेश्चन रहता है, you can do like this. Okay, so moving to the next topic which we have is suppose now 6281, this is in gram, and you want to convert this into kilogram. So how you will convert it? So very simply what you have to do is you need to just separate it out, the gram part and kilogram part. तो कैसे आप सेपरेट इट आउट करोगे? सबसे पहले आप चेक करोगे कि 1000 प्लेस में या 1000 प्लेस से पहले, आई मीन 1000 प्लेस के बाद का प्लेसेस में कितना डिजिट है, उसको अलग कर दोगे. सो यहाँ पे 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, सो यू हैव 6 in 1000 प्लेस, सो विल सेपरेट इट आउट. सो 6000 हम लोग इसको इस तरह से भी बोल सकते हैं कि इसको 1000 प्लेस को अलग कर देंगे. तो 6000 ग्राम विच वी हैव, हम लोग इसको लिख सकते हैं ऐसे 6000 ग्राम, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट सेपरेटली. सो 281 है, सो 281 ग्राम विल राइट सेपरेटली. सो 281 ग्राम. तो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड कि थाउजेंड्स या थाउजेंड्स के बाद का प्लेसेस जितने हैं उसको हम अलग करके इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, और रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल जो भी होगा उसको सेपरेटली प्लस करके लिख सकते हैं. अब हम लोग जानते हैं कि 6000 ग्राम मीन्स 6 किलोग्राम, राइट? So 6 kilogram and this much of gram is here, so 281 gram will write. So very simply this is how we can convert gram into kilogram and gram together, or gram into kilogram simply. Okay. Next, suppose I am choosing some questions from the exercise wherein it is asking convert into grams. So हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चंस एक्सरसाइज से भी डिस्कस करते हैं, starting with the some questions. So first questions, the exercise number is 10.2. The question number 1, it is asking fill in the blanks. So it's very easy. just to fill in the blanks. So which are the blanks given? First question is given 7550 gram is equal to dash much of kilogram and dash much of ग्राम. सो वेरी सिंपली दिस इज आस्किंग कि ये है तो इसको सेपरेट करके लिखना है किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम में. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि ग्राम में दिया हुआ है, यू हैव टू जस्ट कन्वर्ट इनटू किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम. सो वेरी सिंपली वी विल चेक 1 टाइम्स 100,000. सो हाउ मेनी थाउजेंड्स वी हैव? 7. सो 7 किलोग्राम एंड रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल विल बी इन ग्राम. सो 550 ग्राम. इसी तरह से इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सेकेंड वन, सेकेंड में हमारा है 3255 ग्राम. सो 3255 ग्राम है तो इसको भी सेम थिंग पूछा जा रहा है कि हाउ मच किलोग्राम एंड हाउ मच ग्राम. सो हियर ऑल्सो जस्ट यू सी 1 टाइम्स 100,000. सो 3000. सो 3 किलोग्राम एंड रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल इन ग्राम. सो 255 ग्राम. सो वेरी इजी. So this is how you can do the third one also. So third one which we have is 12 kilogram 250 gram. Now this you have to write in gram. तो ये आपको सिंपली ग्राम में लिखना है. सो अगर ग्राम में लिखोगे 12 किलोग्राम मीन्स 12,000 ग्राम एंड 12,000 प्लस 250 इज 12,250 ग्राम. सो सारे को टुगेदर में लिख देना है. दैट्स ऑल. सो दिस इज हाउ वेरी सिंपली यू कैन कन्वर्ट किलोग्राम इंटू ग्राम और ग्राम इंटू किलोग्राम. नेक्स्ट वन विच वी हैव इज 18 किलोग्राम 368 gram. So this also you have to convert into gram. So very simply 18 kilogram means 18,000 gram and 368 is 368. So 18,368 gram. So this is how very simply you can do the all questions of the fill in the blanks. Now write down everyone in your classwork copy. Now moving to the next question which we have, or you can do this in your book also because this is fill in the blanks. Now second question which we have is, it is asking how many grams make. Show how many grams make. How many grams make? So here kilogram is given. So कितना ग्राम में किलोग्राम होता है? So simply the question is asking, you just need to convert kilogram into gram. That's all. So here it is asking 3 kilogram. So 3 kilogram means it will be 3,000 gram. That's all. Now second question is 4 kilogram. So it's very simply 4,000 gram, right? In the same way third question is 6 kilogram. So 6 kilogram is very simply it will be 6,000 gram. So this is how you can do all questions of the second one. Moving to the third question, convert into grams. तीसरा क्वेश्चन में आपको ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करनी है. सो लेट अस सी हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट इनटू ग्राम्स. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, कन्वर्ट इनटू ग्राम्स. So very simply first question is given 2 किलोग्राम. सो आपको ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम लोग ने पढ़ा था 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1000. सो इट विल बी 2000 ग्राम. एंड द सेम वे 13, 20 you can do. So fourth one it is 5 kilogram and 280 gram. So very simply this is also 5 kilogram will be 5000 gram and 280 gram. So 5280 gram, right? In the same way we can do eighth one. So eighth one we have is 9 kilogram and 99 gram. So 9 kilogram and 99 gram. So 9 kilogram is 9000 gram and 99 gram is 99. So here don't write 999 only 999. So 999 will be wrong because 9000 means 9000 gram plus 99 gram. So 9000 means here if you add this it will be 9099 gram. तो यहाँ पे मिस्टेक्स होता है स्टूडेंट्स का, सिर्फ 999 कर देते हैं, सो दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन डू. So that's all about exercise 10.2. Okay, so now I hope you can do in your homework all the exercise of all the questions of exercise 10.2. We have already done also maximum of the questions, so rest you will do by yourself. Next topic which we have is how can we add the kilogram and gram. So after the conversion, now we have the topic of addition of kilogram and gram. So now addition of kilogram and gram. So how can we add kilogram and gram together or kilogram and gram separately, that we will see. So as like one question it is given, add 5 kilogram 250 gram and 4 kilogram and 375 gram. So these are the two values given, you have to just add. So what we will do in this case, so first we will write these two unit here. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम लोग किलोग्राम एक साइड लिख लेंगे एंड ग्राम एक साइड लिख लेंगे, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे किलोग्राम में हमारे पास 5 है और ग्राम में हमारे पास 250 है. And another one we have is in kilogram 4 and gram 375. So here we will write 4 and 375. Okay. Now if you add this 2, then let us see what will be the answer. So 7 plus 5 is 12, right? So 12's 2, 1 carry. Okay, so 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, so here you can see what we got is in kilogram we got 9 and in gram we got 625. So the required sum will be, so यहाँ पे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं, so required sum is equal to 9 kilogram and 625 gram. Okay, so this will be the required sum, and this is how you can do the addition of kilogram and gram. Okay, rest all about the addition of kilogram and gram we'll do in our next class. Now your homework will be to complete exercise 10.2. okay, so homework is to complete exercise 10.2. okay, class work is we have already learned. That's all. Thank you everyone. Have a good time. Take care and bye bye.